The growth and success behind Axapta Masters are a result of the combination of a great team, exceptional management, and up-to-date technology. Our main focus is on empowering businesses through their digital transformation by using the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Applications Suite.
The journey began in 2013 with a small team of experts in Microsoft Business Solutions providing extraordinary results to our customers. Today, Axapta Masters has become one of the fastest growing and leading Microsoft partners in the region.
So far, we have been involved in more than 250 projects, helping our customers grow their businesses using Microsoft Business Solutions. This led us to 250,000 end users of the business solutions, an all-time record.
We deliver projects in industries such as supply chain, retail, automotive, manufacturing, and consumer goods, where we provide top-class business solutions to our clients for managing their processes and helping them to make important strategic business decisions.
We operate globally in various countries with a focus on Europe and the USA. With 20% steady company growth every year and as early adopters of all new Microsoft technologies, we have managed to build a business with a great spirit of collaboration between employees. The Masters are always open to learning from one another, providing a positive co-working environment.
I'm proud of the team we've managed to build up, consisted of around 100 employees, especially each of them who have grown through the years, not just as a team in numbers, but for the personal growth as part of the company.
The important net result from the learning environment is the strong staff retention level. That is one of the reasons which contributed towards the quality of our services and the success of our projects.
We have chosen Axapta Masters because they are able to deliver a very high quality level of support. Since we work together, much more work is done in the same time frame.
Entering the digital world is not enough anymore. You also need to build a culture of continuous improvements within the organization. This will help you maintain the leadership position by meeting customers and business demands.
So, our employees are never getting bored of the technology. No matter if they have 1, 5 or 10 years of experience working with Microsoft Business Solutions, there are always new challenges and something new to learn.
Most importantly, to keep pace with Microsoft and to continue providing great services to our customers. We invest in our employees by empowering them to grow and improve their skill set in areas that they have chosen as their career path. This is done by various training, certification programs, R&D initiatives and tech conferences.
Axapta Masters is the global delivering Dynamics partner for your company.